It is probably off the back of claims made to the BBC by the Imperial War Museum at their site in Duxford about the addition to the museum they said was crucial to World War II Normandy landings that Southampton in 2017 listed its own piece of the Mulberry Harbour, now partly submerged next to the Royal Pier, as a Grade II listed structure. The press officer for the Imperial War Museum, Esther Blaine, said the harbour used to bring men and supplies from ships to Normandy's beaches, was crucial to the success of the Allies, and the roadway was the only one of its type in the UK. According to the Imperial War Museum, the whales helped ensure that soldiers, vehicles and supplies could be brought ashore to take part in the campaign to liberate continental Europe from Nazi domination and to bring to an end a regime that had brought death and suffering to millions. Members of Les Amis de Point Bailey, who saved the whale from dereliction in Normandy, arranged for it to be transported to the UK and conserved for display at Imperial War Museum, Duxford. It was claimed at a ceremony that the whale is the only object of its type in the UK and a direct connection with a pivotal moment in world history. The artificial harbour was made up of 3 structures: outer breakwaters, pierheads and floating roadways called whales that connected to the shoreline, which can be seen in the film, consisting of 2 80-foot long steel box trusses with a 10-foot wide steel plate roadway bolted to cross girders, each section weighing up to 30 tons. At the ceremony at Duxford, they were not to realise that according to Historic England, not only did Southampton have a surviving example of a whale, but possibly the only example of a buffer pontoon, described by the Americans as floating doorsteps. It is not surprising that the Imperial War Museum was not aware at the time of the existence of another whale, because the role of Southampton as a springboard for D-Day was kept secret, even from the local population during World War II. When the whale and pontoon were designated a Grade II listed structure, Historic England said it was as a reminder of the prominent role of the city of Southampton in the preparation and launching of Overlord. However, since it was listed, Southampton City Council Planning Department have failed their legal responsibility to ensure that the listed structure is protected, and it is left rusting away, with the pontoon now disappeared from view next to the fire-damaged pier.